This is Irontrader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about 10 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy or sell a stock commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, natural gas, side by side. Okay, you can just see the total opposite of what's going on here. Okay, now midday trading today, I posted a seasonality chart for crude oil, for natural gas, and for the NASDAQ. So check it out. It gives you a good 20-year period, what's happening, especially this time of the year. Okay, let's take a look here at crude oil. First of all, we want to look at here at this MACD. You can see that nice cross. That's a buy signal. Boom, going up very, very nice. RSI sitting at 61, plenty of room to run up. Very, very nice. And look at this 8 SMA. Cross that 21-day. Now you're headed for the 100, the 200-day, and the 50-day. Very, very bullish here, okay? So we had a big guys like a bull flag kind of situation, and we had a nice consolidation, and then pop, and then boom, now she goes. All right, let's take a look here at the upside first. So today's high, we had 81.52, okay, so far. So then what we do is we just look right to the left of the chart here, okay? So when we come right there, you have 81.57. So we came within 5 cents of our target. Now, next level here, what we do, we go right there. You look at 81.99, bottom of the candle, 82.40. Then we have 83.30. You have 83.91, and then we have your 84.46. These are all going to be your resistance levels. Now, the main ones here is when you bring that price channel right across top of that candle, that 84.46. Next level, bring it right across. You have 85.64. Next level, bring it right across. What do we have? You have 86.18. Now, again, if we keep around rolling, what do we have? You got 86.63 here. You have 86.98. We have 87.10. And then this is the candle that we're looking for, is that retest of 87.67. This is what you're looking for on the big retest here, okay? Now, this was a really good, I pointed this out here, oh God, 2 weeks ago. Left shoulder, right head, and right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders pattern, taking us right on up here. Now, this could have been stretched out a little bit more, but when you see that 8-day rolling up here, that always a good sign of bullish that she's going to take right off. And as long as we close it above this top of this candle here, this is that neckline, 80.62, we're going higher, okay? We combine that with the RSI, combine that with the MACD, looking very, very bullish here. So what I'm looking for next here is just not this, the 81.57, we came 5 cents today, but then right up here to the next level here is going to be that 81.99, and then we can work yourself up here. But this is the target that I'm really looking for, is going to be that 84.46 level. And it'd be really nice if you just keep racking it up here and get all the way back to that retest at 87.67. Now, again, we'd have to see if it does get up in that level, what it does, what the reaction is when it does. Does it double top and come off, or does it break right through and keep right on going here nicely like we had on top of this candle here? Okay, so this is looking very good. Now, always got to look at the downside, okay? So what we're doing is we're going to look at yesterday's high. You have 80.85, but this is the neckline right here, so this is what you want to look at. That's 80.62. As long as we hold that, you're looking very, very good. Now, next key level is going to be that 50-day, 79.81. Then we have your 79.68, that 200-day, and then we have your 100-day at 79.58, and then we have your 8-day here at 79.16. Now watch the futures tonight at 6 p.m. When they open up, this 8-day is going to be higher. It's going to move right on up. Hopefully we can cross right above all these key simple moving averages. We take this bad boy higher, okay? See how nice when that 8-day curls up? When it gets above that, she goes higher, okay? Here's a perfect example on natural gas. Get that price gets above that, 8 SMA, higher. Above it, higher, okay? When it gets down below that, lower, okay? So this is here looking very good. I'm long, and I'm also scalping it. I got UCO on 5,000 long, and I'm 5,000 scalping it, okay? So I do that daily, and until we get to a resistance levels where we have a reversal. Now, what you're looking for a reversal is something like on this order right here. See this candlestick? That's a reversal candle. And then a lot of times what you do is you always kind of wait, and then you just, get out of your trade, let it go sideways, and then retest. See how nice that retested? Okay. Well, that's a perfect double top. And then what happened? She came right on down. Okay. So, but right now we got all green candles. We're rolling here pretty good. just looks very higher. And look at here, your MACD is confirming it, RSI confirming it, very, very bullish. Okay, natural gas doing just the opposite. Here we had a really nice bull run all the way on up here. Then we were trading this box, which was really nice because you had a low, higher low, higher low, and then all the way up here, look at all the nice 5-day candles here. But then we had that reversal candle, okay? And that's always when you have a big green candle and a red candle right next to it. That's never good, okay? So if you want to know here about candlesticks, just click onto my playlist. I have everything about candlesticks, on chart patterns there. Click it on, there you are, you get updated. I watch it every week anyway, just for my own personal self, so I can always stay one step ahead of the old market. Okay, so what do we have here? We had a series of lower highs, lower lows, never good. It held the 8-day, but then you notice the next day, it only got about half that candle and then closed below the 8-day. Kiss of death, you know she's going right to the next big level, and that's what it did. Now, I'm pointing out this 21-day. We're trading in between here. This morning, I pointed out, see how that 8-day is rolling over. And if we close below that 21-day, then we're obviously going to go lower here. So now, what we want to do on the downside, this is watch the downside, is you're looking at 2.72 level here, okay? Then we're going to be looking here to the top of this candle here. We're looking at 2.65. Then we're looking here, you're looking at 2.60, and then right on the bottom, you're looking at 2.57, and then your big retest down here is going to be that 2.47. Now, if you didn't get all that, don't worry. At the end of this video, all the support and resistance levels are posted right there for you. Check it out. Boom. Easy peasy. Okay. Now, upside, right there, you got to get above that 21 like ASAP. Okay. If you don't, you're going lower. It's just that simple here. Okay. So when we rallied up here on this day here, we had that gap down and we filled that gap. The top of that gap was 2.848, and then we have 2.87, and then we have this 2.91. But you notice that here on this candle here, yeah, you got a little bit higher, but you couldn't get above that key 8 simple moving average. Very, very tough. So now when we look at resistance going above, we first of all have this 2.778 to 21-day. Very, very critical, okay? That has to get back above that. Next level is going to be that gap again, okay? Roughly 85. And then we're going to look at that 2.87. And then you're going to look at the top of that candle at 2.91. And then this is the big boy, 2.927. And then we can go to today's high at 2.948. Above that, obviously right there, 3 flat, 2.09, 2.13, 3.15. Again, this all doesn't mean anything unless you can get back above the 21-day and back above that 8 estimate. Right now, ugly candle. Took out 2 days here of trading. Not good. Okay, this just looks lower. I had to carry KOLD. I scalped $1.25 the first time, and I got another $1 the second time. So I got 2.25 out of KOLD. Not too bad. Okay, I'm trading 2,500 shares. So, you know, that was a pretty good trade here on the downside. So never have an opinion. Okay, natural gas didn't go higher. Natural gas in. I have no idea where natural gas is. That's why we trade the charts. This is your map. This is your roadmap. You know if you break that 21-day, you're going lower. Okay, if you break the 8-day, you're going higher. Very, very easy. But again, check out my midday trading. It has the seasonality charts. It's over a 20-year period. Okay, and it gives you a good view of what natural gas does, when to buy it, when to sell it if you're a long-term trader. Okay. Very, very good. Especially like with crude oil. Right now, you're in the peak here. You just rally this bad boy up here till the end of September, and then you take a short ski on the crude ski all the way down to the first week of December, okay? It works like that every year. I've been trading this here for natural gas, crude oil, gasoline, God knows what here, for over 2 decades, okay? So believe me, it works. That's simple as that. All right, so what we have here, again, on the upside, watch that 21-day. If you can get above here, your big target's going to be the 8-day. Okay, downside here, we follow these candles down here very, very cautiously, but your target is going to be 2.47. You lose that, you can come all the way down to the 50-day. Now, we had this negative divergence I've been pointing out here on your RSI. See, we always have a high. Okay, yeah, high, great. We had an even higher high, but look at RSI, lower high. Negative divergence, now she's going right down in the ocean, all the way down. This, look at here, bearish cross. As soon as you get that, that's a sell signal. That green crosses that red, that's a sell. When it goes on the upside, that's a buy, okay? So you don't need all these 50 indicators. MACD, RSI, always have a look at the volume and then use all your price channels here, which are the blue lines, and then your simple moving averages. Work great, make a lot of cash. Okay, that's what I got for you there. Crude oil, natural gas. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Now remember, also on the support and resistance levels that are posted at the end of this video, the the EIA report is also posted for crude oil for you. Okay, thanks for watching.